Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make your Facebook highlights private and control who can see your stories. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage. Tap on Menu in the top right corner, which is the three horizontal lines. Then tap on your profile at the top to access your Facebook profile page. Scroll down to the Highlights section. Tap on any highlight to open it. Now, tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Edit Highlight. You'll notice your highlights are currently set to public, which means anyone can view them. Go back and select Delete Highlight. Then tap OK to confirm. This removes the public highlight. Now, let's change your Facebook story privacy settings so future highlights are automatically private. Tap Menu again at the top right corner, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Under the Audience and Visibility section, select Stories. This is where you control your Facebook story privacy. Tap on Who can see your stories and select Custom. Here you can choose specific friends to share your stories with. Select the friends you want, then tap Done at the top. Tap Save below, then tap Save again to confirm your privacy settings. And that's it. Your Facebook highlights and stories are now private, visible only to the people you've selected. If this helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook tips and social media privacy tutorials. Thanks for watching.